Looking for the best food storage containers for leftovers that every home chef needs? You're in the right place. I've researched and tested the best food storage containers for leftovers to help you cook smarter, faster, and easier. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to GadgetNest for more smart kitchen finds and honest reviews. And don't forget to check the description below for updated prices and exclusive deals. Let's get started. Number 7. Curta 4. Pack food storage containers with blue lids, 22.0 quarts. Maximize your storage efficiency with Curta's commercial-grade 22.0 quart food containers. These square, clear polycarbonate bins are designed for serious storage needs, whether at home or in professional kitchens. NSF listed for safety and quality, they're ideal for bulk food prep or long-term storage. The blue lids snap on tightly to create a secure seal, keeping food fresher for longer. Their transparent design allows for easy content identification without opening. Durable construction ensures they withstand frequent use, and the square shape fits more efficiently in tight storage spaces, perfect for ingredients, leftovers, or even dry goods like flour or pasta. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean, these containers make high-volume organization stress-free. With 4 large containers in a pack, it's a powerful storage solution for any kitchen. Number 6. Sterilite Ultra Seal 4.7 quart bowl food storage container, 12 pack. Keep your food fresh and your kitchen organized with the Sterilite Ultra Seal 4.7 quart bowls. These large containers are perfect for storing big portions, marinating meats, or meal prepping for the week. The airtight seal and latching lid prevent spills, so you can transport or store with confidence. Microwave and dishwasher safe, they're built for everyday use. The clear body lets you quickly identify contents, while the red gasket adds a pop of color and reinforces the seal. Their stackable shape makes them space-efficient in cabinets or refrigerators. BPA-free construction ensures food safety for you and your family. With a 12-pack, you'll have plenty of storage options for every need. Durable and dependable, they're a smart investment for anyone looking to simplify food prep and storage. Number 5. Sterilite Ultra Seal 16-cup rectangle. Food storage container, 16-pack. Organize your kitchen with Sterilite's Ultra Seal 16-cup containers. These rectangular storage boxes feature airtight seals that lock in freshness and flavor, while their latching lids prevent leaks and spills. Ideal for everything from meal prep to leftovers, they're microwave and dishwasher safe for effortless convenience. The clear container makes it easy to see what's inside without opening the lid, saving time and reducing waste. Each lid features a stylish blue gasket that enhances both the seal and appearance. These containers stack neatly in the fridge or pantry, optimizing storage space. Whether storing snacks, full meals, or baking ingredients, you'll love how practical and secure they feel. With 16 in a pack, there's more than enough for any storage need. Built to last and easy to use, they're kitchen essentials. Number 4, E-Package Supply 1 gallon 128 ounces. Food storage containers with lids, 100 pack. Simplify bulk storage with E-Package Supply's 1 gallon containers. With a generous 128-ounce capacity, they're perfect for storing large food quantities from pasta to soups and everything in between. The BPA-free plastic ensures your food remains safe, while the tight-fitting lids prevent leaks and spills. Safe for both the freezer and microwave, they're versatile enough for prepping, storing, and reheating meals. Whether you're storing food at home or in a commercial setting, this 100-pack offers unbeatable convenience and value. The round shape is easy to stack and clean, saving you time and space in the kitchen. Dishwasher safe and made for repeated use, these containers are as durable as they are functional. A must-have for anyone who cooks in bulk or runs a small food service. Dependable, practical, and spacious. Number 3. 32-ounce deli food storage containers with airtight lids, 200 sets. Streamline your kitchen with this 200 set of 32-ounce deli containers. Each features an airtight, leak-proof lid, ideal for keeping soups, stews, or fresh-cut fruits secure. Made from BPA-free plastic, they're microwave-safe, allowing easy reheating without dish transfers. These containers are also freezer and dishwasher safe, great for both storage and quick cleaning. Their reusable design helps reduce waste, making them an eco-conscious choice. Stackable construction saves you valuable kitchen space, keeping things tidy and organized. Whether you're prepping for the week or managing leftovers, their durable build stands up to everyday use. Portion control becomes simple with the consistent 32-ounce capacity. Ideal for families, busy individuals, or even small food businesses, this set delivers quality, volume, and practicality. These containers are truly the meal prepper's best friend. Number 2. Quiddity. Ware, deli containers with lids leak-proof, 240-pack. Elevate your food storage with Quiddity Ware's 240-pack of deli containers. Each holds a generous 32 ounces, perfect for portioning meals, storing leftovers, or organizing ingredients. These containers are leak-proof, ensuring your sauces or soups stay sealed during transport. Made from BPA-free plastic, they prioritize health and safety. Reheat meals directly in the microwave without needing extra dishes. Then pop them in the dishwasher for effortless cleanup. They're also freezer-safe, great for batch cooking or long-term storage. With heavy-duty construction, they resist warping and cracking even with frequent use. The clear design makes it easy to identify what's inside, saving time and reducing food waste. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or managing large-scale storage needs, this 240 set gives you quality, quantity, and convenience in one package. Number 1. Rubbermaid Brilliance BPA-free 44-piece food storage container set. Experience kitchen organization at its best with the Rubbermaid Brilliance 44-piece set. Each container is made with BPA-free materials for safe food storage. The airtight, leak-proof lids keep meals fresh and prevent spills, making them perfect for soups, sauces, or leftovers. The crystal-clear design allows you to identify contents at a glance. No more opening every container. Stackable construction maximizes your pantry or fridge space, ideal for meal preppers or families. The durable material stands up to daily use and is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Whether you're prepping for the week, storing leftovers, or packing lunch, this set offers unmatched convenience. Designed to make your life easier while maintaining food safety and freshness, it's a smart, long-lasting solution for busy households. Rubbermaid's quality makes this a go-to storage set. Thanks for watching today's top picks from GadgetNest. If you enjoy discovering cool kitchen gadgets that make your life easier, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated. All product links and latest prices are in the description below. Don't miss them. Got a question or want to see a specific gadget reviewed? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay smart, stay inspired, and keep cooking with confidence.